Hi guys, welcome to Seduce Mentis. So a lot of calls from Symbiosis colleges are being out now. Today we got SIIB calls being out. We also got SMHRD calls. As far as the SIIB is concerned, cutoffs have gone drastically down. It used to be around about 93 percentile. But this year people have got calls at 86, 85 also. For the agricultural business for SIIB, the calls are at 82 percentile. This is damn low when I compare it with the last year. Even the SMHRD cutoffs are actually out. Now, if we look at from that perspective, right, what should be the dates for all the Symbiosis colleges? So I expect SIB in Bangalore to be out by today because I have collected this data from the website and different sources. So it is actually due on February 3rd, which is today, and I guess it should be out because SMHRD has been out, and at the same time, February 3rd, SIIB is also out. SIOM has already been out. So today is going to be a really, really important day for all the Symbiosis colleges. I expect SIDTM to be out. I expect SICSR to be out today. We also expect SIMC to be out. So I think SIBM Nagpur is already been out. Hyderabad is already been out. SSBF is already been out. So a lot of colleges have the calls. The big guy, which is the SIBM Pune, SIBM Pune will be releasing their calls on February 5th, which is nothing but like just 2 days from today, right? So by 5th of the February, you'll be having around about 90% of the colleges giving you call. मेरे ख्याल से SIMS is also out if I'm not wrong. If not, then it should be there by February 9. That's the last date I actually see, that February 9 is the last date to get a call from the Symbiosis colleges. So I think now you guys need to start and buckle up for your interview preparation. I'll give you a quick overview of the interview preparation. Most of these most of the Symbiosis institutes are giving 50% weightage to the raw score. So your score, whatever score that you have, and if you get a call, you are done with it, right? It will matter, but it is not going to matter a lot because there are 50% weightage which has been given to your personal interview, group exercise, and VAT. Right? Again, I would love to wait for some time, and we will see here individual colleges ka kya funda hai, what they are actually accepting. Are they taking VAT? Are they taking group exercise? Or they are just taking PI? So that's something we need to wait and watch. But मेरे ख्याल से now is the time for you all to go ahead and prepare for Symbiosis के interviews. Now I'll give you a quick idea about the interviews. The interviews as far as the Symbiosis is concerned, the big guy which is SIBM Pune se leke roundabout SIMC and SIMS is concerned, the interviews are actually easy peasy. The interviews are not going to be really, really tough. You can kind of look at here. I've given you some points out here. So SIBM Bangalore will be taking GEPI and VAT. These are the tentative dates that I can share with you. Then again, अगर मैं बात करूंगा SIOM नासिक के बारे में, मेरे ख्याल से they are taking just PI and VAT. That's how it changes for individual colleges. SMHRD will be taking GEPI and VAT. So guys, the interviews are going to be easy out here. It's just that you need to be prepared very well. So even if you look at, you've got whatever percentile, maybe 96, 95, and even you are at the bottom of the percentile for that particular college, आपका interview अगर अच्छा जाता है, you will be able to crack it up. I have seen people even after having 99.50 not been able to crack SIBM Pune. At the same time, people who've got 98.6070 are sitting in SIBM Pune now, right? तो आपको preparation करना बहुत जरूरी है. Another thing for Symbiosis is that these guys are very particular about their answers. These guys are very particular about having clarity of thoughts. What sort of specialization you're looking for. And again, you need to perform very well as far as group exercise is concerned. At the same time, VAT is also important. But अगर मैं देखूं GE, PI and VAT, so इसमें से आपका सबसे ज़्यादा important चीज़ होता है PI. VAT तो होगा, group exercise होगा, इसको भी कुछ percentage allocation होगा definitely out of that 50%. But सबसे important आपका PI होता है because PI is going to be a make or break. And for the fact nowadays there are personal interviews happening on Zoom and other platform, it's not that easy to connect with your panelists, and that is the reason, guys, to focus a lot on your preparation. So guys, we've got this GDPI plan for you. You whatever classes that you have joined in, make it a point that you at least do these things. If not, then make it a point that at least if you want to join us, you can join us. There are people who have joined us for Snap Workshop. We are giving you basic GDPI ka module. The videos will be uploaded in your dashboard tonight, so you can go through them. If you want to join us for the exhaustive plan, you can upgrade yourself. And if you're somebody who wants to join Seduce Mentors for GDPI, you can definitely join us for GEPI as far as the Symbiosis is concerned. Now, what is unique out here? The unique thing is that if you just look at, we are doing so many workshops only for personal interview. We are digging into every single question. You know, what's your role model? What are your hobbies and interests? How do you introduce yourself? What are your strengths and weaknesses? VAC sessions are different. SOB sessions are different, right? So we are actually having live sessions for all these things. There are certain live sessions recorded for, Blackie guys, which is like I am Bangalore, Calcutta, so on and so forth. You can get that content also. I will be conducting different live sessions, separate live sessions, predominantly for Symbiosis colleges, जहाँ पे हम थोड़े से हमारे आंसर्स को ऑल्टर करेंगे so that वो सिम्बी के कल्चर में बराबर से फिट हो जाएंगे. So we are focusing a lot on the personal interview because आप किसी भी कॉलेज में चले जाओ आज की डेट में जहाँ पे Zoom पे आपके पर्सनल इंटरव्यूज हो रहे हैं, your personal interview would matter a lot because VAT और PI ही चलता है अभी. GD वगैरह सब इन लोगों ने स्क्रैप कर दिया है मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉलेजेस ने. तो VAT में भी इतना ज्यादा आपको परसेंटेज नहीं है जितना PI के लिए परसेंटेज है. So this is what you need to understand. You guys will be mentored by the students of IM, ABC, KIL, plus Symbiosis, SIBM, KG Somaya. This is a common plan for everybody. For Symbiosis, GD की जगह वो GE बन जाएगा. We are also doing, Q&A sessions because once there is a session here, how do you introduce yourself? उसके बाद there will be a proper Q&A session. I think मेरे ख्याल से for the IM folks we have done round about 7 to 8 sessions जहाँ पे हमने Q&A करके उनके आंसर्स को रिव्यू करा है, उनके डाउट्स को सॉल्व करा है. ये ज्यादा हेल्प होता है आपको so that you get double triple sure about your answers. Then we will be having workshop. मैंने कुछ फ्री वीडियोस डाले हैं YouTube पे, देख लेना मार्केटिंग मिक्स के लिए. We will be doing these workshop मार्केटिंग के जहाँ पे you will be learning these important marketing concepts. अब ये आपको खाली PI में नहीं यूज होता, ये आपको एक्सरसाइज में GE में भी यूज होगा सिम्बी के लिए, ये आपको वैट में भी यूज होगा सिम्बी केजे सोमाया के लिए, ये आपको केस डिस्कशन में भी हेल्प होगा एंड आपको ये PI में भी हेल्प होगा. सो दिस इज सॉर्ट ऑफ मल्टी स्टाफ, आपको हर जगह ये हेल्प होने वाला है. वी आर ऑल्सो फोकसिंग ऑन गिविंग यू गाइज अ कंसेप्चुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग फॉर फाइनेंस, HR एंड ऑपरेशंस. देयर विल बी करंट अफेयर सेशंस बेस्ड ऑन इंडियन इकोनॉमी एंड यूएस सिलेक्शन. इतना ही नहीं होगा, देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ सेशंस. इट जस्ट दैट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव यू अ लिटिल आइडिया, तो मैंने यहाँ पे एग्जांपल डाला है. एंड वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रोफाइल्स, मार्केटिंग जॉब प्रोफाइल्स क्या है, जेनमैन क्या है, प्रॉडमैन क्या है. बिकॉज द मोमेंट यू अंडरस्टैंड the answer for why MBA, your goals, your strengths and weaknesses, it's very much important that at the same time you also understand कि तुम्हें कौन सा प्रोफाइल चाहिए. अगर आपको वो प्रोफाइल अच्छा लगता है, if you're sure about that profile, you can very well twist your answers, according to the profile that you want to get into. And again, SIB पुणे का आंसर आप SIMC में चिपका नहीं सकते हो और SC MHRD का आंसर आप KG सोमया में नहीं दे सकते हो. You have to have different answers for different colleges. So guys, I think it's the right time for you to start preparing because मुझे लगता नहीं ज्यादा टाइम यहाँ पे मिलेगा. I think अगर मैं आपको डेट्स बताऊं, SIB पुणे की डेट्स आई एम वेरी श्योर वो कुछ 18 फरवरी से उनका राउंड चालू होने वाला है, 18 से 28 तक. So you do not get actually a lot of time for preparation. So if you're somebody who want to join us, you can join us. You can call on the number which is given here, or you can call on the number 9022342214. So guys, I wish you all the very best for your GDPI preparation. You can join us for IMs, you can join us for Symbiosis, Blackie calls, KG Somaya, NMIMS, whatever. But this is what a bare minimum preparation I would expect from any student who wants to crack uska GDPI process or who wants to get into a good B school. So guys, that's it from my side. I'll keep you updated for SIBM Pune and other Symbiosis colleges. There will be videos on KG Somaya also very soon. So guys, stay tuned to Seduce Mentors, and if you have any question, any queries, put the comment on the video. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.